Hey, today is the rose gold outfit. This has been my most requested outfit. Everybody keeps asking, when are you gonna do rose gold? All right, rose gold rehearsal is super fun. Rose is the signature color of National American Miss, and this is your chance to really showcase your rose gold spirit. I've got 16 great outfits. Now, if you're an all-American, girls, shop away. If you're a state queen, I wanna talk and take this moment to talk to you a little bit specifically about what happens during your rose gold rehearsal. So yes, everybody will have a rose gold rehearsal, but state queens, your rose gold rehearsal is not with the all-Americans. It is separate because you will be doing something different. So first of all, every single person, if you're wanting to do the opening production number dance, needs the Ashley Loren dress. So I get asked, okay, well then are the state queens, everybody needs that dress, are the state queens and the all-Americans, do they do their opening production number dance at the same time? No. Everything is separate except for optionals. Optionals are the only combined events for your age group. So if you are a preteen All-American competitions, formal wear, interview, personal introduction, and your final show are separate than the queen formal wear, personal introduction, interviews, and final shows. You wear your production number Ashley Loren dress during the final shows to do your opening production number dance, which is a group dance. So the All-Americans will do their group dance in the Ashley Loren dress during the All-American show, and the state queens will do their opening production number dance in their Ashley Loren dress during their final show. Great opening production number routine. It's not so much of a dance, it's more of an individualized walking pattern. This is when you will be wearing it's modeling, Miss USA, super fun. It's all about the runway and all about the girls. And so this is where you will wear your red, white, or pink dress. This is your opportunity to show your personality and your sense of style in this fun dress. And so what will happen is you'll kind of learn a little walking routine, and then each of you will individually take the runway on your own. So they'll be like, Miss Alabama, and she'll kind of hit the runway, do some poses. Miss Alaska, same thing. But, and you're in your red, white, or pink dress, okay? And this happens during the final show. But as you are walking the runway, behind you on the screen is gonna be a video that's playing. A video of you that you have pre-recorded during your rose gold rehearsal. Let me say that again. You're walking the runway during your second opening production number dance during the final show in your red, white, or pink dress. Behind you on the screen is a pre-recorded segment that you have filmed earlier in the week during your rose gold rehearsal. You'll get a flyer about this recording and what to say and examples. I'll give you a quick example. So while you're walking, let's say I'm the Minnesota preteen. So Minnesota preteen, she's coming out, walking the runway in her red, white, or pink dress, and on the screen behind her is gonna be her face popping up saying, "Hi, I'm Miss Minnesota preteen coming to you from the land of 10,000 lakes. I'm 10-year-old Brianne Ewing." Cool, and then she's strutting her stuff and her face is real big and it's all about her in that moment. So it's really cool, really fun. So when you're doing your pre-recorded segment, that's when you will be wearing your rose gold outfit. So pre-recorded segment, rose gold outfit, and then during the final show, that video plays of you in that rose gold outfit, and that is something the judges and the whole entire audience and everybody live streaming will see online. So you wanna make sure if you're a state queen, when you come for your pre-recorded segment, you are filmed just like I am from here up. You wanna make sure that this looks good because it's gonna be seen during the final show. So you wanna have something cute in your hair. You will not be wearing your crown and sash while filming. It is just you in your outfit saying your little intro. So be thoughtful about what you're going to be showing up here because you, of course, want this to look good. If you're a junior teen, a teen, or a miss, you want to have hair and makeup done for this recording. Don't come to that rehearsal in rollers or, pins or whatever it is. If you're a little one, you want to look presentable as well. So just some things to keep in mind with the rose gold themed outfit, but anything works. And below, I have clicked a link to 16 options for big girls, 16 options for little girls that are all rose gold themed. Hey, tip, Big tip for everybody. Big tip for everybody. If you were at Nationals last year, your Ashley Lauren dress was rose gold. Why don't you spend $0 and rewear your Ashley Lauren rose gold dress for this rehearsal? You could even do like, make it casual and like put a little denim jacket and some like Converse kicks with it and make it more cash. Super cute. Great tip. See you soon.